ka Sorkar Jylla hakas ngi balang kala shimya karai ba ki Skul ki badon haka nongba katana ka Bynta ki class 1 hadu ki class 6 kinlong tistano nadu kas ngi nungkong ka banwan haba pentip ya karai menteri rang ba ulo ongru ba kitu ki belade ban IT ka baro asin kimnan kamshu ban le ye ka tes RT-PCR hashua ba kinrong shapo ka Jylla menteri rang ba ka Jylla ukondat ki sangma ule to ba ka jingshim jong ka sorkari ya ka tei karai ka dei hadin ba kila bishar bnia ya ka jinglong jingman jong u covid khat kendai Kiwei pat ki rai ki long banweng no ya ka curfew meet kat ba ki kendon na ka Bynta ki jingya brew bat khawai pat kinang yai beteng hi.
We just had a COVID review meeting and the following decisions were taken. Number one, that those who are double vaccinated will not require the RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number two, night curfew will be lifted. Number three, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards, that is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number six, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have, so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. We also like to reiterate that in bars, restaurants and movie theaters, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong, and yeah, so those are the decisions that were made today. And all of, yeah, I'm sorry, this all will be effective from Friday. So today is Wednesday, that means today's what day? Today's 9th, no? So from 11th. So 11th is Friday, right? Yes. Yeah. So from 11th of February, all these decisions will be effective from Friday onwards. Number one, we have seen that the numbers are going down in terms of the positive cases. We have seen also that the people affected by COVID and the number of deaths that have taken place, though every life is precious, but we've seen that the impact of this wave has not been so much in terms of the number of lives we have lost. Number three, we have also seen that the lives that we have lost are not directly COVID related, though they were COVID positive, but they had other serious conditions. So therefore, keeping all of these factors in mind, we are seeing a trend, and this is based on facts and figures. We are seeing a trend where the numbers are reducing, the positivity rate is going down, the number of deaths is far lesser than what it was earlier. And therefore, while we always try to balance between the safety and health of the people and the economic conditions, activities, we strongly feel that normalcy must return. So therefore, we can't let our guards down fully, but we will take precaution. But I think we need to ease the overall restrictions so that normalcy can return to the state. But I still urge our citizens that we must continue to follow the protocols, and we must always keep ourselves safe. But we are hopeful, and we hope that we will see things improve in the future also. But one has to be careful still, and we cannot take things lightly.